What if you're experiencing keyboard delay or input lag while gaming on LDPlayer? Yeah, that can make games feel unplayable. The good news is this is usually caused by settings or performance issues, and you can fix it quickly. First, restart both LDPlayer and your computer. I mean, temporary system or emulator glitches often cause input delay issues. Next, open LDPlayer settings and reduce CPU cores and RAM slightly. Overloading the emulator can actually increase keyboard delay instead of improving performance. Now switch LDPlayer to high performance mode. Yeah, this helps prioritize input response and reduces lag during gameplay. If the issue continues, switch between OpenGL and DirectX rendering mode. Sometimes graphics mode affects input responsiveness too. Next, close heavy background apps like browsers, Discord, or recording software. I mean, too many running processes can cause keyboard delay in games. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Yeah, without it, LD player performance, including keyboard input, can become unstable. Finally, update LD player and your graphics drivers. Outdated software is a common cause of input lag in emulators, and that's it. One of these fixes should reduce keyboard delay and make your gaming experience smooth again.